Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDC from Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Ledger Nano X already set up with your USDC stored in it, and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. Make sure both are updated to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. Security is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable. Enter your PIN to unlock it, then navigate to the Ethereum account where your USDC is held. Remember, USDC is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Step 2. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section, select your Ethereum wallet, and find your USDC balance. Click on it to access the Send feature. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so let's switch over to Trust Wallet. Step 3. Open Trust Wallet on your mobile device. If you haven't already, add USDC to your wallet by searching for it in the token search bar and selecting the Ethereum network. Once added, go to your USDC wallet and copy the receiving address. Be extra careful here, as pasting the wrong address could lead to lost funds. Step 4. Back in Ledger Live, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, double-check the network, it should be Ethereum, and review the transaction fees. Hit Confirm on your Ledger device when prompted. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, check your Trust Wallet to see the USDC arrive. A quick tip. Always use the Ethereum network for USDC transfers to avoid compatibility issues. If something goes wrong, like a pending transaction, don't panic. Check blockchain explorers like Etherscan for status updates. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your USDC from Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet. This method keeps your assets secure and gives you more flexibility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.